Here's a video on classifying triangles. Triangles can be classified in two ways. One is by the length of their sides, and another is by their angles. Let me show you about each. Alright, first, if we're talking about their angles, triangles can be classified this way. They can be called a right triangle if they have one 90-degree angle. Okay? It's an acute triangle if all three of their angles is less than 90 degrees. What acute means, less than 90. And it's an obtuse triangle if they have one angle that's greater than 90 degrees. Okay, so for their angles, right, acute, and obtuse. Alright, as for their sides, they are classified this way. By their sides, it's an equilateral triangle if all three sides are equal. It's an isosceles triangle if two of the three sides are equal. And it's a scalene triangle if none of the sides are equal. And that's it. That's the lesson. You name them by their sides and their lengths. So for your extra credit, I want you to classify each of these triangles. Here's an example, just so you can see what I'm talking about. Each of these each of these triangles will have two names. One will be by the angle and then by the sides, unless it's equilateral. If it's equilateral, then you'll just put equilateral. In all other cases, it'll have two names. So I want you to number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Tell me that I'm going to classify each of these triangles for you. You're going to give it a name for the angle and the side. Show both names, turn in Mr. Riddle, get your extra credit.